Welcome back to Grow Green and Live Clean. Today we're ditching the usual tomatoes and cucumbers for something truly wild. We're diving into the world of plants that shock, surprise, and make your garden unforgettable. Think plants that play dead, look like jewelry, or even mimic rocks. If you're ready to turn your backyard into a conversation starter, you're in the right place. Let's get our hands dirty with the weirdest, most fascinating plants you can grow at home. Ready to wow your neighbors? Let's dig in. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay connected with all our great garden tips and tricks. First up, meet the Mimosa pudica, aka the sensitive plant. Give it a gentle poke and its leaves instantly fold up, playing dead to scare off hungry animals. This dramatic defense is called thigmonesty, and it's endlessly entertaining. It's easy to grow from seed. Just keep the soil moist and give it bright, indirect light. Perfect for kids or guests, it's like having a green pet that reacts to your touch. The leaves reopen after a few minutes, ready for the next surprise. You'll find these at most nurseries or online as seeds. Watching them sprout and develop their signature move is so rewarding. If you want a plant with personality, the sensitive plant is a must-have. It's interactive, fun, and a great way to spark curiosity about nature. Forget boring houseplants. This one puts on a show. Add it to your collection and watch your friends' jaws drop. The sensitive plant, the ultimate icebreaker. Next, let's talk about the string of hearts, a plant that doubles as living jewelry. Its heart-shaped marbled leaves cascade like a necklace, adding instant elegance to any room. This trailing succulent thrives on neglect. Let the soil dry out between waterings and give it bright, indirect light. As it grows, you'll spot tiny bead-like tubers along the vines. Each one can become a new plant. Just snip, plant, and share the love. Perfect for hanging baskets or high shelves, it's a statement piece that's nearly impossible to kill. The leaves are thick with a purple underside, a little surprise every time you look. String of hearts is ideal for beginners and busy plant parents alike. It's beautiful, low maintenance, and always ready to propagate. Want effortless style and endless conversation starters? This is your plant. Add a touch of whimsy to your home with string of hearts. Pure, simple, trailing beauty. Now, prepare to be fooled by Lithops, the living stones. These plants look exactly like colorful pebbles, blending perfectly into their surroundings. It's the ultimate camouflage, evolved to avoid being eaten in the wild. Once a year, a slit appears and a daisy-like flower bursts out, nature's best surprise reveal. Lithops thrive on neglect. Water only a few times a year, following their natural cycle. Most of the plant is underground with just a window on top for sunlight. Each year, new leaves grow from within, while the old ones shrivel away. Don't fuss, just let them be. If you want a plant that stumps everyone and rewards patience, Lithops are it. They're more curiosity than houseplant, teaching restraint and adaptation. And when that flower appears, it's pure magic. For the ultimate weird plant, go for living stones. Your only challenge? Remembering not to care for it. Meet the Venus flytrap, the bug-eating legend you can grow at home. Its traps snap shut when triggered by insects, then digest them for nutrients. Use only distilled, rain, or reverse osmosis water. Tap water will kill it. Give it full sun for at least 4 hours a day. Red traps mean it's happy. No fertilizer needed, the bugs are its food. Resist the urge to trigger the traps for fun. Each can only close a few times before dying. Let it catch its own meals and say goodbye to fruit flies. Venus flytraps need a winter dormancy, cool temps and less light for a few months. It may look dead, but it's just resting for spring. This plant keeps you on your toes and your kitchen bug-free. Want a living monster on your windowsill? The Venus flytrap is your new favorite. Nature's most clever carnivore right at home. Finally, the resurrection plant, Selaginella lepidophylla. It looks like a dead tumbleweed, but add water and it unfurls, turning green before your eyes. This desert survivor can stay dormant for years, then spring back to life in hours. In the wild, it curls up to survive drought, then revives with rain. Keep it in a shallow dish of water and bright, indirect light. Let it dry out again. It'll patiently wait for your next watering. It's not a true fern, but a spike moss with a magical twist. Perfect for science experiments, party tricks, or anyone who forgets to water. The resurrection plant is a symbol of resilience and hope. It proves life can return even when things look over. Wow your friends and never worry about forgetting to water again. the ultimate comeback kid of the plant world, bring home a little magic. That's 5 of the weirdest, most wonderful plants you can grow at home. From fainting mimosa to rock-like lithops and the zombie resurrection plant, gardening is full of surprises. These plants aren't just decor, they're stories, science, and fun. Step outside your comfort zone and try something weird. Your garden and your inner child will thank you. Share your weird plant stories in the comments and hit that subscribe button before you go. Remember, gardening should be fun and surprising. Until next time, keep growing green and living clean.